Hello Redditors, marketers, and YouTubers. My name is Leon from the HowToWebmaster YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite Reddit strategies to build backlinks and increase your rankings and traffic by using Reddit. Here I am at the homepage of Reddit, and for those that don't know what Reddit is, it is the biggest viral website in the world, and basically here's what it looks like. It showcases new stories, photos, videos of everything that is viral worthy. So you can have here at the front page a meme or a cat photo, videos. So just everything can be seen at this homepage. If it gets voted, upvotes a lot, it'll show up at the front page, and this is where it goes viral. You get a bunch of views and ranking power. For affiliate marketers that post at Reddit, chances are your affiliate promotions or whatever you're promoting is probably not gonna be ever showed up at the front page. Because it's heavily moderated by moderators and just user viewers downvoting spammy looking content. So the only way you can promote something practically is to buy an ad, and maybe it'll show up if you throw a lot of money at it. So this video, I'm going to review my strategies. It's not about going viral, but about getting backlinks at Reddit, and this easily shows up at the search engines, and then the backlink goes to your video or website or whatever you're promoting to increase your ranking power. I will show you a shortcut on how to potentially go viral if you have some good content later in this video, but for now I'm going to show you just some basic things. So you can submit a link or some kind of text post. Most people, it's easy just to submit a new link. However, it's going to get moderated. You will enter in a URL, or you can have an image or video, type in a title, choose a subreddit. So there are potentially thousands upon thousands of subreddits, from videos, video games, video editing, and then there's photos, pics. So you get the idea. So the subreddit is the category or forum of a specific niche category. If you choose something like pit bulls, then your content URL or text post better be related to pit bulls. Otherwise it will be blocked or deleted and maybe get you banned from this subreddit. So what I have here is I created my own subreddit, HowToWebmaster, and feel free to come here, subscribe to my HowToWebmaster, and feel free to submit a link or a text post about anything related to internet marketing, SEO, list building, affiliate marketing, whatever you think it's related. Go ahead, feel free to submit and get some quick and easy backlinks to your video or website, blogs. Just please don't spam. So I will be certainly easy on the moderation. I will approve your links as long as it's related to internet marketing in general. And another strategy is, why not create your own subreddit? Here's the link to creating your own subreddit. So you do need to build up some karma, which is this number next to your username, and you can build karma by simply commenting on other posts or submitting text posts or links that are not promotional. And once you have a certain amount of karma, you can create a subreddit just like I have here, my own subreddit, where I freely submit practically whatever I want, since I'm the moderator, the only moderator here. So I can approve anything I submit for myself there's not a lot of users, so we have 26 readers right now. These are like subscribers, but initially I had 0 or a few, so it's not gonna get a whole lot of views and traffic. But my main point for making my own subreddit is to create backlinks to whatever I'm promoting, videos or websites. So a link from Reddit is very powerful, and once you post something in your subreddit, it shows up at the search engines within minutes. So it's very, very fast, quick. So Reddit is very powerful. So once you have enough karma, you create whatever niche you want. You just name it whatever you want. Give it a title, a description, some text on the sidebar, and details about what you want your readers to submit, and these other features and options, which I'm not gonna go through in detail. But basically, once you're done selecting your options and features, you click create, and there you have it. You have your own kingdom to submit whatever your heart desires. Very, very powerful links, and a lot of these shows up on the first page of Google for their keywords as well. And a lot of people say it's hard to self-promote on Reddit, and that's not true, because I see a bunch of affiliate reviews and self-promotions on Reddit. You just have to do it wisely and in a friendly, helpful manner. So here we have this person. 5 months ago, he wrote a short 22-page book about starting a clothing brand, and he gives away the free ebook here. And he also linked to the place to buy his book. There's self-promotion right there. He's promoting his own book. As long as you submit to the appropriate category or subreddit, and then try not to push the sell too hard, it looks natural. I see it all the time, these type of self-promotions or affiliate reviews, and it works. This guy had 389 upvotes, so that's partially viral, and I'm pretty sure he's got maybe thousands of views from this. Plenty of comments as well. So definitely don't shy away from self-promotion. Again, if it's too spammy, if you're promoting some very spammy looking things, then that's probably not a good idea. And the last strategy I want to show you guys is buying the upvotes. So you can buy upvotes, Reddit votes, and potentially go viral by using services from places like SeoClerks. Right here, SeoClerks, and then just search for Reddit, and we have a bunch of gigs for Reddit posts with your links. Submit to Reddit 3 times with 20 votes, 50 votes, and you can buy as hundreds of votes. I've seen those. And also subscribers, you can buy those as well. Fairly cheap prices. And you also get my coupon for using SeoClerks. I have a special $10 SeoClerks coupon that will give you a free coupon, free money, $10 to spend at SeoClerks for whatever you want. It's only for new users. Please check the details in the video description below. So here you can definitely buy Reddit upvotes and subscribers to take the shortcut to boost your content. Whatever you post, a lot of times whatever you post requires a little bit of boosting upvotes to let others know that other people are upvoting this particular content. So chances are it's pretty good and they're gonna check it out, and if it's good they'll upvote it too. like I said, a lot of time the content just needs a quick boost to allow other people to see that your content is pretty good and it's upvote worthy, and you can buy the votes here. And I've done it before. I've bought hundreds of votes just to test it out, and it works right here. So there's plenty of gigs offering upvotes for a few dollars. So I hope this helps. I hope this gives you some ideas about how to use Reddit for marketing your websites, services, products. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy marketing.